Paul back again from Magic the Rescuing. Today we're going to open up something pretty special to me. It's a completely sealed and encapsulated Mercadian Masques booster pack. And in case you guys didn't know, Magic the Rescuing is a project me and my wife started not too long ago to raise money to start a rescue range for Great Danes and farm animals. So we do these openings and we sell the singles that we get out of the cards on our Mercari pages. And we try to raise money the best that we can with something that we love to do. So there is kind of a sneaky little secret that I have here. I'm going to open 2 packs, not just one. And the other pack I'm going to open up is going to be Zendikar. So I'm doing Zendikar because of the free fetch land that's coming with the summer secret layered super drop. We're going to order ours today, and we're going to give away that fetch land to a lucky winner down the road. And hopefully you'll check out my Instagram, and we'll probably do a video about it too to let you know how you can win it. But we're going to start with the Zendikar pack and see if we can pull our own fetch land to start. Doesn't want to open. Does not want me to open it. Oh. There we go. We found a breach in the wall. Okay, here we go. Old school Zendikar, and they're also doing a reprint, or not a reprint, but they're doing a release of a new Zendikar at the end of the year, so that's really cool. A lot of people are crazy focused on 2021 right now, but that's coming at the end of the year. So here we go. Let's see what we get in this Zendikar pack. So we're starting off here. Oh, don't be sneaky like that. Give me a common land. Oh, cat ally. Going slow because I'm nervous. I'm nervous about it. Expedition map. That's a cool card. Territorial Baloth. Core Sanctifiers. Spire Barrage. What is going on here? That's 2 different lands. Oh, could it mean something for us? Let's see. Caravan Herda. Okay, so first uncommon is going to be the River Boa. Kalnai Gem. Quest for the Holy Relic. And then our rare is Archmage Ascension. Still a cool card. And then we got our Plains and our Illusion. So, not a fetch land, but that's our rare for the Zendikar. Not really sure. I was looking for fetch lands, so I'll have to look this up and find out what it's worth. Alright. Now, in Mercadian Masques, this was one of the first, not the first, but one of the first foiled sets. And I've already broken the seal there, so we're committed. So the foils in here are worth a pretty penny. The best regular card out of here is going to be Food Chain. But there's a couple of cool foils that I really wouldn't mind. Dark Ritual foil or Brainstorm foil would be really cool too. Let's see what we get here. The suspense. All right. Okay, these are kind of weird. I see the uncommons on the top, so I'm not even sure which way to go. So we're just going to go ahead with it. Energy Flux. Hades Downfall. And then the rare is Eye of Ramos. I'm not really sure about it, so. And then here we got our commons. Oh, we got a regular Dark Ritual. That's cool. I really love that card. It's a really awesome Dark Ritual card. Okay, Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy in this pack. What does that hold for the rest of our packs? Eye of Ramos is our rare. Thanks for watching, you guys. Again, if you want to support Magic the Rescuing, follow us on Instagram at Magic the Rescuing. Don't forget to like and subscribe in the bottom and follow all of our links to our Patreon. Please become our first patron. That would be really, really cool. Thanks for watching, guys.